Hi guys, David here in Alpha Wealth. So we just wanted to do a short video in response to the central bank survey on investing and Alpha Wealth's own poll on investing yesterday. In both instances, it showed that a significant amount of people do not invest because they either have a lack of knowledge or they are afraid of losing money. So I just wanted to discuss both of those areas. Firstly, it's important for you to realise that it's so important for you to invest your money to make sure that it is growing for you, working for you and keeping pace with inflation. Otherwise you are losing value considerably over the long term. Lack of knowledge should never be a challenge to not investing money, because there are so many sources of information nowadays, either online from very reputable sources or using a reputable and trusted financial advisor or financial planner. There's loads, I'm sure, in your area that can basically explain how to invest properly and how investors have always made money over time by sticking to certain principles. The second area, while everyone, I'm sure, is very cautious and conscious of not losing money, there is a time-tested, proven strategy, which is basically getting access to a very well diversified portfolio and keeping a medium to long-term view in mind. Long-term investors have always been rewarded in the market if they are dealing with someone trusted and keeping fees low. Now, the best example I can give you of that is over the last 5 years, we've had two catastrophic years in financial markets. The first year was in 2020, where we experienced a global pandemic which shut down the worldwide economy temporarily, and the second was last year, where markets had their biggest fall since the 2008 financial crash. So despite two catastrophic years occurring in the last 5 years, markets actually grew by over 50% in that 5-year period. So I suppose my question is, what are you so concerned about that is going to happen that you're happy to leave your hard-earned savings sitting on deposit earning nothing and losing value relative to inflation? Now, if anybody wants to get a bit more information or reassurances and find out information on the right ways to invest and how to invest, please do feel free to reach out to us and we're happy to help.